Expecting a gorgeous day and a great game of cricket. It's the big final of the Paytm Women's Challenger Trophy. India Green take on India Blue. India Green.
Heads is the call.
Heads it is.
Heads it is. Smriti, you won the toss. What are you going to do?
We like to bat first.
About to get underway in the big final. Just a slip in a gully. Strong offside field for Shikha Pandey. There's the swing straight away on target. Good delivery to begin with. Super shot to get the first boundary of the innings.
बढ़िया शॉट. रन मिलेंगे यहाँ. कोई खिलाड़ी वहां पीछे है ही नहीं.
Oh, lovely through the offside. This is Smriti Mandhana's strength, and she's enjoyed the pace of Shanti Kumari in the last game, and she's picking off where she left off today as well. Beautiful four through the offside. In the air, a catch, and it's gone. And Shikha Pandey has the first breakthrough. First wicket for her in the tournament. Oh, lovely shot here.
She bowls quicker, and you've seen the same position as well in the direction of third man.
Nicely played. Very nicely played. And that'll be 4.
The introduction of leg spinner, and she might be greeted by a boundary here. There's one fielder at deep mid wicket, but she's not catching that. Oh, lovely shot.
Nicely struck once again. Just mentioned about the full face of the bat. Take a look at this replay for that.
Appeal here and gone.
Short gets the punishment it deserves. 4.
बहुत ही बढ़िया शॉट. रन मिलेंगे यहाँ पर. बहुत बढ़िया तरीके से आखिरी समय में बल्ले का मुंह खोला है. 4 मिलेंगे. जी हाँ.
Easily put away. Staying in line, staying in length for a set batsman like Smriti Mandhana. Running hard will be a 50. Yes, there was no problem in Smriti Mandhana reaching the non-strikers in. It was a partner, but a well-deserved half century. Too full, had to control the shot well there, Mona. Smriti Mandhana could be in trouble, and yes, she is in trouble.
Have a look at this. She turns around. She sees the no, then she hesitates. She's looking again. Just run back. A captain goes for 58. It's 144 for 3.
जी हाँ. फिर न्योता दिया. फ्लाइटेड गेंद देखना होगा क्योंकि विकेट कीपर थोड़ी सी दूर चली गई थी.
That's out. That's certainly out. The line belongs to the umpire, Tanushree Sarkar.
सही निर्णय है ये.
Stepping out here, Tanya Bhatia. She's skied this one. Fielder's interested. Oh no, it's just the cameraman who's interested because that ball has fallen just about 5 feet short of it. 6 runs.
और वापस. जी हाँ. 5वां विकेट गिर गया है.
Oh, this is out. It's been given by the umpire at the non-striker's end. So this is the outside edge, and Asha has 2 in 2.
दूसरा विकेट इस ओवर में. पूजा बिना खाता खोले वापस जाएंगी. अब 6 आउट हो गए हैं इंडिया ब्लू के सिर्फ 160 पे. आहा, देखिए फिर फेंकी हल्की गेंद और कोई जवाब नहीं उसके पास वहां बैटर का. राधा वापस जाएंगी.
This brings up a 50. It's been a good innings, LS. That's in the gap. And it'll be 4. Timing it beautifully.
Gone, straightforward catch.
Big wicket. Mona goes for 63, 194 for 8. There she goes with the big one. It's dropped, only 4. Oh, good catch.
And takes another wicket. Anuja Gaikwad gone for 2.
Last ball of the innings. Placement's great. Result is even better. 4 runs. Great way to end the innings for India Blue.
So for the target for India Green, 2 out of 2 games. Can they win the big final here? The required rate is 4.16 at the beginning of the run chase.
फाइनल मुकाबला यार हम दूसरी पारी की पहली गेंद के साथ
This has been the hallmark though of the partnership between these two. She may have missed out on an opportunity there. Converting the good balls into singles is what they've done so well. This time Poonam has gone over the infield behind point and gets 4. That's lovely. Straight down the ground, has not tried to hit it too hard. Poonam Raut seems to be intent on using the pace of Jhulan Goswami and making hay while she has that at her will. And pulls out her favourite shot and almost a catch. That's excellent anticipation by the experience of Jhulan Goswami, but it's still going to get 4 for Raut.
Beautiful shot. On the rise. 1 bounce, 4.
And another shot over the infield from Poonam Raut.
That's sensible cricket though. Improvisation and gets 4.
Swept from middle and off. And touch of arrogance about that shot, but she was in total control.
पीछे वहां कोई खिलाड़ी है नहीं इसलिए बहुत लंबी दौड़ लगानी पड़ेगी और फिर भी नहीं रोक पाएंगे
Boundary.
इस 1 रन के साथ 50 एक बार फिर इसलिए क्योंकि इस टूर्नामेंट में जितनी बार भी बल्लेबाजी करने उतरी हैं हर बार 50 या उससे अधिक बनाए हैं
Top edged, and it's a brilliant catch.
Rodrigues has to go. 43 well-made runs.
Beautiful shot. Just 1 run.
Another wicket here. Just as we were saying that Devika Vaidya has not looked comfortable at all at the crease. She's mistimed this completely. Looks like it hit the bottom of the bat. Easy return catch for Hemlata.
Catch it.
But I expect you're going to get one here. Anuja Patil does not hang around. I think she didn't like that statistic and decided to do something about it. And in the best possible place, straight back past the bowler. And this is probably their best chance to set that record right. They are going to steal 2 here. No, it's going to be a run out. In fact, Poonam Raut, well short of her 100, has been involved in a horrible mix-up here. And all of a sudden, a glimmer of hope opening up for India Blue.
88 रन बनाकर 150 पर 3 मिस कर गए भाई बड़ा झटका ये अनुजा आउट हुई 13 बनाकर 157 पर 4
Good hit. Mid on inside the ring, so safe shot. As the ball squeezes through the gap. There's no stopping that. Leg spinner comes in at a tight situation. Oh! Directed, she was a goner. Now we're going to refer.
ओ बल्ला ही नीचे नहीं रखा इसलिए अपने आप से खफा थी वहां एलएस हाँ जी हाँ उन्हें पता है एक और विकेट मिल गई और वो भी सिर्फ 1 रन के लालच में
Bowled him. Maybe a bit of an inside edge or bottom edge, and 2 wickets in this over. Gone. Another one bites the dust.
excellent catch by Pratyusha. The leg spinner has come in, taken her second wicket, and India Green are imploding faster than a neutron star here.
And the 8th wicket goes down for 172.
Oh, and another one! Pratyusha is all over this India Green tail, and she's put India Blue firmly on course for their Challenger Trophy.
Should be out, and she's gone. India Blue, winners of the Paytm Challenger Series. Look at the joy. It's been an excellent performance from them. India Blue, Smriti Mandhana won the toss and decided to bat first. Scored 207 for 9. In reply though, India Green 174 all out. India Blue won by 33 runs.
Proud Smriti Mandhana holding the trophy up on behalf of her side. India Blue, the worthy winners of the Paytm Challenger Trophy for Women's.